Why visual cues matter.
Visual cues act as gentle reminders in your workspace, guiding your attention and helping you stay present. By strategically placing visual signals, you can reinforce the habit of focusing on your tasks, making it easier to slip into a state of deep work. These simple tools can combat distractions and support a more mindful, productive environment.
Choosing the right visual reminders.
Select cues that are meaningful and noticeable, but not distracting. Sticky notes with key phrases, calming images, or colored objects can all serve this purpose. The goal is to create subtle signals that prompt you to pause, refocus, or check in with your intentions, helping you build a routine of mindful concentration.
Placement for maximum effect.
Position visual cues where your eyes naturally land. This could be near your computer monitor, on your desk, or even on a water bottle. Consistent visibility increases their impact, reminding you to breathe, reset your posture, or return to your work. Adjust placement as needed until you find what works best for your routine.
Integrating visual cues into deep work sessions.
Before starting a focused work session, glance at your chosen cue as a ritual. For example, a small figurine or an inspirational card can signal the start of undistracted time. Revisit the cue if you notice your attention wandering, using it as an anchor to bring yourself back to mindfulness and productivity.
Refreshing your visual cues.
Over time, cues may fade into the background. To keep them effective, change them occasionally. Update the note, swap images, or move objects around. This keeps your brain engaged, ensuring your reminders remain fresh and continue to support your mindful focus practices.